For over 25 years, MECCA has been helping its customers look, feel, and be their best. Curating the world's leading beauty products, paired with store hosts' expert knowledge, today it sets the standard for in-store experiences. So when it comes to creating an online store, how do you replicate this incredible real-world experience? This is MECCA.com, a best-in-class digital flagship that delivers MECCA's beauty expertise, knowledge, and exceptional products with true human connection. A store that can help every unique individual find inspiration and then, in that moment, gives them the power to purchase with confidence. This is content blended with commerce, brought to life through personalization. With a new content-enabled search experience, it's never been easier to look for your next look. And a seamless purchasing experience makes it faster to sign up, log in, check out new styles, and check out. Built on a modern architecture to provide flexibility, MECCA.com isn't just an online store. It's a content hub that's a commerce platform, that's a personalization platform, that's a marketing tool, all in one. And with 7 million visitors every month, MECCA.com is Australia's #1 online beauty destination. But MECCA's constant drive to deliver its customers' perfection doesn't stop there, and neither does MECCA.com, which is future-proof and designed for global scale and is truly world-class. So, now customers can find inspiration to look, feel, and be their best even faster and easier than ever before.